complete. Walking on the beach, hand in hand, leaving footprints in the golden sand. With each wave that kisses the shore, in this paradise we explore. Seashells scatter treasures to find. The sun setting low, painting the sky with the breeze in our hair and the sun on our skin. In this moment we begin again. Walking on the beach, hand in hand, leaving footprints in the golden sand. With each wave that kisses the shore, in this paradise we explore. In the distance, seagulls call as we stroll along, feeling so small. But in this vastness, we find our place in the beauty of this coastal grace.